So starting with our regards in Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Respected neighbors and my dears smugglers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear Vision, that is my message to the chiefs of the Pakistan, that we do not accept the passport, we do not accept the crew on the border. That is our message to all the chiefs of the Pakistan, to all leaders of the Pakistan. We do not accept the passport, we do not accept the crews on the border. If you do not accept our message, our letters you alone us, and we attack on your castle and we destroy your orchestras. From 31 days we are sitting in the Purlat. The Hosla and the Karim Dagla, they state to you that we do not accept the passport and we do not accept the passport. In the last, I want to say that even in the stars, even in the light of the moon, even in the light of the sun, even in the storm, even in everything, we do not accept the passport.